Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you'll be fine. Open your books, page number 15. Today we'll learn about the exercise of poem No. In the very start of the lecture, I would like to tell you that you are to solve this exercise on your books, and you are to solve whole exercise while listening the lecture. Solution of part C2 and D1 has been attached with your diary. Question 2, part A. Answer the following with reference to context. What is meant by "the other side the way"? The explanation of this phrase is given here. "The other side the way," a colloquial contraction of "the other side of the road or the street." Part B. Why do you think the phrase "no go" is put in inverted commas? No go emphasizes on no chance to travel by land or ocean, while others no mail are not, because they are not emphasizing. And is there any another expression in inverted commas? Yes, "the other side the way" is another expression which is placed in inverted commas. What does the ring refer to? Ring referred to number 5, a circular course in Hyde Park in London used for riding and driving. Part D. Comment on phrase "no afternoon gentility." The word gentility is explained here. Courteous and well-mannered society. The gentility people from upper classes would take a leisurely walk along the ring in the afternoon, greeting others as they passed. So, the phrase "no afternoon gentility" means, no means because of cold November, nobody can walk, talk and greet each other. This is the "no afternoon gentility." Part B. Working with words. First question is, find words in a poem which may be described in the following way. These are the descriptions, and we are to find one word for each description which is given in the poem. The star at the center of the solar system, the sun, the earth's only natural satellite, the moon, appropriate, correct, proper, the first appearance of light in the sky as the sun rises at the beginning of the day, dawn, signs or signals, indications, well-known, commonly seen or heard, easily recognized, familiar, the perception that somebody has been seen before and is noun recognition, a vague idea or suspicion about a fact, person or event, inkling, contented and relaxed, comfortable, limb, member, an insect of the order Lepidoptera, butterfly, heat, affection, friendliness, warmth. Part C. Learning about the language. First question is, can you arrange the pronouns in the list on page 16 into 2 columns, one for singular and other for plural pronouns? These are the pronouns which we are to arrange according to singular and plural pronouns in 2 columns. One is as a singular and second as a plural. I have written S for singular and P for plural. So you are to arrange them in 2 columns. Or you can write them in this way. Each, singular, everyone, singular, both, plural, all, plural, none, singular, nobody, singular, one, singular, those, plural, some, plural, this, singular, others, plural, another, singular, these, plural, no one, singular, that, singular. Question 2. Underline the pronouns and say whether they are used as subject or object and whether they are singular or plural. Note one thing, we are to underline just pronouns. For example, he selected the workers. He, singular and subject. Part A. They wanted to help the villagers. They, subject and plural. So in this way you are to write them. Part D1. Listen the following words and say them aloud. Be careful to stress the correct syllable in each word. These are the words, and stress syllable has been marked with a stress mark, and they are also divided in other syllables too. Indications, recognitions, familiar, courtesies, locomotion, notion, cheerfulness, afternoon, gentility, nobility, butterflies, November. Solution of these 2 questions has been attached with your diary.